Stop using old tools. Seriously, you are wasting time, energy, and money. Today, 10 next level tools that look like sci-fi props but actually work. Magnetic rail systems, self-drying sponges, a tape measure that reads itself. Number 10 might change your workshop forever. Let's go. Number 1, MagMaster magnetic tool holder. You know that moment, you're on a ladder or maybe under a sink. Your one hand is holding something, your other hand has a tool, and you realize you need a different one, but it's on the ground. Annoying, right? That's exactly what the MagMaster solves. It's a magnetic holster, clips right onto your belt, or your pocket, or your tool bag. And the magnet? Seriously powerful. It holds heavy things like a sledgehammer or a pipe wrench, but it also holds small stuff. Screws, nails, pliers, drill bits, even a handful of loose bolts. And here's something people really appreciate. It won't hurt your phone. Solid state memory is completely safe. You just clip it on and go. Fits belts up to 1.75 inches wide. No more bending down. No more digging through a messy bag. You just reach for your hip. Electricians use this. Carpenters too. Plumbers as well. It's basically an extra hand. Number 2. WrinGo automatic sponge machine. Nobody likes wringing out a dirty grout sponge by hand. It's messy, it's tiring, and your wrist starts hurting after a while. The WrinGo fixes that. You drop the sponge inside, it spins. A special agitator knocks out the grout particles first. Then rollers squeeze out the extra water. Not too wet, not too dry, just right for clean, streak-free tiles. It's made of stainless steel, so it won't rust on the job site. Fits any standard 5 or 6 gallon bucket. Forward and reverse, easy control. And it only runs when it's seated safely on the bucket. Less hand pain, faster cleanup. Number 3. Laser measuring tool. You know the struggle. A tape measure snaps back. Or you're alone trying to measure a long wall and the tape keeps flopping down. This little laser tool fixes all of that. It measures up to 262 feet. Accuracy within a 16th of an inch. And it gives you a reading in less than half a second. But here's what makes it different. It's actually 3 tools in one. Laser measure, digital angle finder, and a digital level. The screen is color and easy to read. Even in bright sunlight, it runs on a rechargeable battery. Over 8,000 measurements on a single charge. There are magnets on the bottom and back, so you can stick it to a metal pipe or beam and work hands-free. Area, volume, even Pythagorean mode for indirect measurements. Builders use these. Interior designers too. Even real estate agents. Once you go laser, you never go back. Number 4. DeckWise hardwood wrench. Warped deck boards are a nightmare. You push, you pry, and they still won't go straight. This wrench fixes that. It clamps onto the joist, locks in place, then you ratchet the board tight. No hammer, no swearing. You can even bend multiple boards at once. One person, hands-free. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum with a hardwood handle. Fits different joist sizes. No more fighting your deck. Just straight boards.
Number 5. Road DAWG 3-ton off-road jack. A regular floor jack works fine on smooth concrete, but take it on gravel, or mud, or grass, and those tiny wheels just sink. The Road DAWG solves that. Look at these wheels. Big, composite. They roll over soft ground without digging in. The front wheels are straight. The rear ones spin 360 degrees, so you can maneuver easily even in tight spots. It lifts up to 3 tons. That's 6,000 pounds. Trucks, SUVs, ATVs, no problem. The lifting range goes from about 6 inches up to nearly 24 inches with the SUV adapter, and the dual piston pump gets you to full height in just 6 strokes. Built from aluminum and steel, so it's strong but lighter than you'd expect. The anti-slip bottom frame keeps it stable on gravel. No wobbling, no sinking, just a jack that works where you actually need it.
Number 6. HOZO NeoBlade wireless ultrasonic cutter. This tool feels like science fiction. The NeoBlade vibrates 40,000 times per second. That's not a typo. 40,000. You don't push it through material, you just guide it, and it glides. Cardboard, leather, wood, acrylic, even carbon fiber, like a hot knife through butter. It's wireless, and really light, about the same weight as a full coffee mug. There's a tiny fan inside running at 13,000 RPM, keeps the blade cool so your cuts stay clean and nothing melts or burns. Two ways to use it. Hold the button down for precision work, trimming, deburring, fine details, or toggle it on continuously for bigger jobs like carving or splitting. The battery charges fully in 30 minutes and swaps out in seconds. It comes with 6 different blade shapes: standard, curved, chisel, double edge, perfect for 3D prints, models, cosplay, woodworking. Honestly, it's just really cool. Number 7. Coobeast Preset Torque Screwdriver. How many screws have you stripped? Be honest. Tight enough isn't a measurement, it's a guess. And guessing ruins threads. The Coobeast fixes that. It's a torque screwdriver. You set the exact pressure you want, between 10 and 70 inch-pounds, in 1 inch-pound steps. Then you start screwing. When you hit that exact pressure, the tool makes a click sound. Not a loud bang, just a clean, satisfying click. That's your signal to stop. No more guessing, no more over-tightening, no more stripped screws. It comes with 12S2 steel bits, strong, wear-resistant, and the bit holder is magnetic, so swapping bits takes 2 seconds. The display is easy to read. Red line alignment, no confusion. This matters for delicate stuff. Laptops, cameras, bike repairs, gun optics, anything where too much force means cracked plastic or damaged threads. Once you use a torque screwdriver, you'll never guess again. Number 8. CC Impact Wrench. Everyone knows the big brands. Milwaukee, DeWalt. They're great, but they're also expensive. CC gives you serious power for a lot less money. This impact wrench delivers 886 foot-pounds of loosening torque. That's enough to spin off rusty lug nuts in about 5 seconds, or install truck wheels in 3 seconds. It comes with 2 batteries, 4 amp hours each, so you're never waiting around for a charge. And when you do need to charge one, it hits 80% in 30 minutes. 3 speed modes. First gear for delicate work, second for standard bolts, third for stubborn nuts, plus 2 reverse modes. It has a bright LED light, a cooling fan so it doesn't overheat, and it's built tough. Military grade housing, survives drops from over 4 feet. If you swap snow tires or do your own suspension work, this thing will save you time and sore arms. Number 9. Greenlee Remote Pruner Kit. Ladders make me nervous. Chainsaws above my head make me even more nervous. The Greenlee pruner keeps you on solid ground. It's a battery-powered chainsaw on the end of a long pole. Extends up to 15 feet. You stand flat on your feet. You pull the trigger at your waist. And 15 feet up, the blade cuts through branches up to 2 inches thick. No climbing, no stretching, no balancing on the top rung of a wobbly ladder. Professional arborists use these every day. But for homeowners with tall trees, it's a total game changer. You can trim safely, quickly, without paying someone $200 just to show up and make a few cuts. The battery lasts long enough for most yard jobs, and the whole thing breaks down for easy storage. It's one of those tools that pays for itself the first time you use it. Number 10. Metek Digital Tape Measure. Let me ask you something. When you look at a regular tape measure, can you still clearly see those tiny little lines? If you're over 40, probably not. The Metek solves that. It looks like a normal tape measure, but it has a small digital screen built right into the body. You pull the tape out, and the screen shows you the exact measurement. No squinting, no guessing if it's a 16th or a 32nd, fraction, decimal, metric. One button switches between them. It fits in your hand just like a regular tape. The battery lasts a long time, and it's accurate. This is one of those tools that doesn't look exciting until you use it. Then you realize you should have bought one years ago, especially if your eyes aren't what they used to be. Honestly, it's the last tape measure you'll ever need.